Whoa, whoa, what is this? Alrighty guys, today we're going to be opening some new Topps Chrome baseball cards we just ordered. There's supposedly some several $100,000 cards in here, so we're going to open them all and see what we get. There we go. First box. Whoa. 7 packs of 4 cards, so there's 28 cards in this box. And I guess I will go with these top 4 here. Alright, here's our selection of cards. I guess let's start with the first one. Here we go. Alrighty guys. I see a Mariner, first card. Alright, this. Oh, that's pretty cool. 45 Yordan Alvarez. Here's a chrome refractor. We got a rookie from the Rockies. And then another rookie from the Mariners. Alright, so that's not a bad first pack. Now let's see what Dad gets. A Padre. There's Yu Darvish. Alright. Nice. Nice. Jose Ramirez. Both got a Mariner so far. Whoa, that's cool. Did you get 5 cards in that pack? I got 4. Alright. Pack number 2. Alright, first card we got Altuve. Alright. Michael McGreevy rookie card. Reese Hines rookie card. Matt Chapman. And I don't know how to say this guy's name, but rookie card. That's kind of like a reddish. That's pretty cool. Alright. So there's pack number 2 down. See what Dad gets. Bryce Harper, nice. Trevor Story. Mason Miller, he's a good rookie right now. And who's that last one? Kobe Mayo. I've got like 5 of those blank Mason Miller rookie cards. Pack number 3. There we go, come on. One of these has to have an Ohtani auto. Or a someone auto, someone good. Jonathan India, Aaron Judge, Dustin Harris rookie card, David Festa, and Andres Jimenez. So the very last card is like kind of reddish. You got Mason Miller again. So we got 2 of the Topps Chrome Mason Millers. Nick Gonzalez. Alright. Zebby Matthews. Jazz Chisholm, alright. Mr. 3 in the home run derby. Whoa!
Ryan Miller, auto rookie.
Nice. Alright, this is our first good card of the pack. Alright, that's one pretty sick card. So rookie, top certified autograph issue. Ryan Miller with that nice chrome edge. That's a pretty sick card. Wow. So this big box right here is guaranteed 1 auto. This box I don't believe is guaranteed auto, but so now we have an extra autograph so far, and we both still have 1 pack to go out of this box.
15, 20 bucks.
Alright. So between this and this is about probably 40 bucks worth of cards. That pays for the entire box. Yep. Pack number 4. We got Oriole and Mountcastle. Nice, Byron Buxton, Stuart Baroa, rookie card. Dodger, Ohtani, let's go. Another buyback, nice, and Ryan Mountcastle. Alright, we'll put Ohtani at the top here, let's go.
Oh, that box, paying for it.
I know. Alright guys, there we go. We got it in a penny sleeve. We'll set this one aside. Alright guys, it's time for the hobby box. We got 1 guaranteed auto in here. We have 20 cards and 4 cards per pack, so 80 cards in this box. Anyways, let's get to opening. Alright. Whoa, check that out guys.
Alright, you go for it.
Alright, here we go. First pack of the big box. Got a guaranteed auto and hopefully a bunch more in this box.
Bunch of buybacks.
Yeah, a bunch of buybacks and Alright, Yordan Alvarez. I see a special edition card here. Alright, David Festa rookie card. I just pulled him. We got Garrett Mitchell. What's this? Future Stars Evan Carter. Alright. And Yordan Alvarez. So there's pack 1. Bo Bichette, Pete Alonso, Luis, Spencer Steer. Nice. I wonder who's going to pull the auto. It might be me because you pulled the last one. Alright, what's that? We got an Indian here. We got Jose Ramirez. Nice. Spencer Strider. He's good. Brian Hayes. This is out of 200. Alright. Number 5 out of 199. And there's another special looking one here. Fortune 15, Brooks Lee rookie card. And then Jose Ramirez. So we'll definitely get this one in a penny sleeve. So far, that's the best card we've pulled out of this box. Let's see what Dad's got in store. Got a Tiger, Justin Robleski, Alex Bregman. Nice. Alright. So we got the Robleski rookie card. Pack number 3. We got a Mariner. It's my mom's team. Who is it? Corrali? Alright, Ryan Bliss. Let's see here. Andrew Benintendi. Next we got a D-back. Marte, let's go. First D-back of the box. We got another Angel. Brian Teodosio rookie card. And the Mariner, Ryan Bliss rookie card. Alright, so we got my boy Marte. Hopefully there's many more D-backs to come in this pack. Luis Castillo, Dansby Swanson, Carlos Narvaez, and Real Muto. Nice. Got a Padre. Come on, Tatis. Michael King. Tyler Locklear rookie card. Who's that? Whoa, what is this? Topps Online redemption card. Nice.
Smith.
Topps Online redemption card. I've never even seen that.
Redemption. Let me
That's
see that.
crazy. And Kobe Mayo rookie card. Orioles 35th anniversary. What is that? I've never seen
redemption.
that. All right. So now we're up to 2 autos.
Smith.
All right, what's he got? Brooks Baldwin rookie. Hunter Green, Yohan Alvarez, nice. I've got a few of him now, and Daniel Schneeman. Matt Chapman again, JJ Blade, Jesse Winker, and Connor Norby. See what Dad's got. Another Padre. You got Machado, Ozuna, Gunnar Henderson, Pete Fairbanks. Alright, so you went 3 for 4 on that pack there. Now we've got pack number 6. Max Muncy, the one on the A's, not the one on the Dodgers. Rookie card here. Ezekiel Tovar, Adolis Garcia Rangers, 35th anniversary, and Griffin Conine. Luis Angel Acuna, Freddie Freeman with the chrome refractor. All etch, Adley Rutschman, Aaron Nola. What's this? Teoscar, I see a cool one. What's this? Power Players, Jarren Duran. Let's go. And Lindor. Ryan Mountcastle, I pulled him. We just got Duran. Nice. James Wood and Jacob Wilson, rookie. Bunch of rookies, which you always get in these, which is good. Want to get a Nick Kurtz rookie because he's on fire right now. Brendan Donovan, Royce Lewis. Another one of these Power Players, Kevin Alcantara, rookie card. And Trey Sweeney, rookie card. Kobe Mayo again, rookie. Jameson Talio, Billy Cook, rookie, and Otto Lopez. Alright guys, pack number 9. We gotta pull. This one feels pretty good. Gotta pull something here. Garrett Mitchell. What is this one? Whoa. 9 out of 50. Hodronsky Noel, rookie, out of 50. Ronald Acuna Jr., all etch card, and Alec Boehm. Out of 50 with the chrome kind of goldish refractor rookie card. This one might be worth something. So we've pulled 2 number cards and 2 autos so far. And we each have a pack to go after this one. Joe Musgrove, we got him. Shota Imanaga, that's the all-star rookie. All etch, Jose Ramirez. We pulled a lot of him. And rookie Nacho Alvarez Jr. This is it. Adam Kloffenstein, rookie card. Vinny Pasquantino, Matt Shaw, rookie, and Jairo Iriarte. So no special editions out of this pack. Isaac Collins, Gavin Sheets, nice. Lane Thomas, and Salvador Perez. Alrighty guys, that is our lots of cards unboxing here. We got some pretty cool cards, cool refractors. We got quite a few good ones, but we're going to sort them all and see what we got. Peace out.